big barn. This is a very old barn. Hip-roof barn with huge loft space, built back in the day before round bales. Anyway, we use this barn for lambing mostly, jugs, etc. So, time for the clear out. More and easier to pitchfork out.
The flies about.
And the flies are bad. But what you'd expect. This is very good manure. Manure is good for fertilizer. And the price of fertilizer these days, it's the case that having access to real animal manure is quite a good deal. Lucky, in fact. So, that's my husband driving the tractor, pulling it out of the barn. Da 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 da. We did it. To be fair, not that big of space, but you know, no fancy telehandlers or skid steers, just a good old rototiller. And putting our backs into it.